my name is Hiwot. I am a pharmacist and the founder of Askalite, a skincare brand committed to developing innovative and science-backed formulas from meticulously selected, clean ingredients to solve the skin concerns of people of color. Today, I am going to quickly show you how to use the Dream Radiance set. It's important to note that all our serums are powered by the Ethiopian superfood TEFF peptides, which tell your own skin to make more collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid for a bouncy and beautiful skin from within. We use patented pharmaceutical science technology to ferment our ingredients and create the formulas that have hundreds of 5-star reviews in short amount of time. So first in the Dream Radiance is Pigmenix Dark Spot Correcting Night Serum, and you want to use this right after you cleanse at night. As you can see, it's very light, and really all our formulas are super light and made to be absorbed by the skin and not just sit on it. So this one has got TEFF peptides, algae extract, niacinamide, N-ACETYLGLUCOSAMINE, and other nourishing ingredients that help to fight dark spots that you're not happy with. Once you let that sink in, you want to follow by applying our most popular Pan-African Skin Texture Refining Serum, which is made with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, Abyssinian oil from Ethiopia, and of course our proprietary TEFF and algae complex. This absorbs so well as well, and it leaves no greasy mess behind. So once you do that, third step in the process is our 13 months elixir, made with potent antioxidants such as vitamin C, moringa oil, pomegranate seed oil, cranberry oil, and much more. This seals in your treatment from steps 1 and 2 and gives the skin that beautiful glow. You do not need to use any cream if you're using the Dream Radiance set, because you're gonna get everything. But you want to apply your sunscreen during the day to make sure all this effort doesn't go to waste. That's it. If you have any questions, come over to our Instagram and don't hesitate to DM us. Myself or a board certified dermatologist we work with would be happy to answer any questions you might have. And I will look forward to connecting with you. Take care.